So the weather's finally getting nice here, so I can take the car out and do a little bit of testing. I just wanted to update you guys, kind of let you know where I'm going with the project now. I sort of have realized that I started from the wrong point. You can see here's my design history of how the thing came together. Starting from the knuckle was stupid. I never got the steering right. It was always an afterthought. I designed this as just sort of a test print one half of a front end and see if it works, and then I ended up just kind of expanding that out into an entire car, and it was dumb. The steering was an afterthought. It never has worked quite right, and also I didn't leave myself any room to put a servo up front, so the servo has to go on the body, or the kind of mid plate, and that's never worked that well. So I'm going to be scrapping this specific design and moving right into kind of a clean sheet design. I sort of agonized over the last couple of weeks whether I want to redo just this one, or do I want to just start over and redo the entire thing. And I've decided I really want to redo the entire thing. I think there's a bunch of little improvements I can make. But the new car is going to have the same design philosophy as this one, which is no two pieces of hard plastic can touch each other without a piece of TPU as in the joint. And I think that's been the real secret to the success of this car. I've done all sorts of horrible things to it, and I haven't broken anything yet. So you can see there in the front end, those three pieces of TPU are what hold the whole front suspension together, and those absorb quite a bit, as well as the parts out by the knuckles. And yeah, just nothing is broken. I jumped it a bunch and flipped it a bunch, run it into trees and brick walls and curbs and all that. The body is also isolated by some TPU, and of course the whole rear end as well. The rear end's going to get a little bit of redesign, just to make the belt drive a little bit more efficient. And then of course the front end of the steering will get changed around a bit. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of let you know where I'm at and let you know the project is still moving forward, and you can look forward to hopefully some videos coming shortly here. Alright, thanks for watching.